Okay, first you're going to remove the gold screw. Yours is probably just stainless steel. That holds your lock in. Then you can take either a hook tool or you can use a paper clip. Pin on the end. Underneath the lock there's a little pin you're going to slide in a groove. Hold it down while you rotate the lock until it becomes free, and it'll remove. So what I just did, once you reinstall the lock, you'll turn and it'll stop, and that's how it locks. That's where you have to depress this. So keep it in that position there when reinserting. Reinstall your screw.